Hello everyone, this is Ted Mulberg with Leica Geosystems. I've got a quick video here to show you how to align and inspect your point cloud models against your design model. So let's jump in and take a look at Cyclone 3DR. Here we have a model and a point cloud that are not in alignment. That's always a fun tool. So we're going to pick the BIM alignment tool here. After we select both of those, it'll split the screen into two. I can decide on that left-hand side if I want to move the cloud or the model. In this case, I'm going to move the cloud, and I'm going to select a surface, in this case on the wall right here in the point cloud. I want to pick a place that you can find in both the point cloud and the model, and then I'm going to pick the corner here, a point, and then do the same thing over here in the model itself. Again, orient yourself till you pick that same wall and click on it, and then find that same corner is at least as close as you can to that same point in the model that you did in the point cloud. Now it will immediately align those two, and it's only done as good as your ability to pick those 2 points. So it's not perfect, but once you hit OK or preview, it'll show you the final results and do a full cloud to model alignment and get that data aligned perfectly on those surfaces, or at least best that it can, looking at all of the surfaces in that model and all the surfaces in that point cloud and do its best fit. Certainly you're going to find things that do not align, and that's the next step here. Well, actually, before we get to that, let's clean the model out. So we're going to separate by distance. I got it set to 3 centimeters here, and it's going to put those point clouds into 2 different categories: objects that are close to the model and objects that are far away from the model based on that 3 centimeter distance. And now I've got the ability to, I'm going to hit OK on that. After it's a little inspecting, we can turn off the objects that are far, and now I've got nothing but a nice cleaned point cloud that's now aligned to my model. So the next step here in the process, after taking a good look at it, is again select both of those two, the model and the point cloud. And now we're going to go to the Analyze tab and pick the Inspect Cloud versus BIM. Pick that, and we're going to get some options here. I'm just going to hit Preview, actually click OK on that, either one. And it'll give you a heat map showing the differences, where the actual point cloud deviates from the model, because we all know that what gets built isn't exactly the same as what gets designed. So now we can see that inspection and find those hot spots or cool spots depending on whether they're plus or minus away from that design model. Of course, we want to be able to report on that, so we can hit the tags here and identify all those hot spots, and then in a few seconds here we'll spit it out in a PDF report, so we can give that to whoever the concerned party is, and they can go rectify whatever that situation is, get that pipe rack back in the right spot, or take care of the unlevel floor, or whatever that situation might be. Thanks a lot, and stay tuned for the next video.